Hello and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to connect Firebase with Google AI Studio. So friends, first step you need to do, you should get a API key in Google AI Studio. This is the API key. Click create one, choose your name for your API keys. After that, choose a project, import any project, for example this one, and click imports. After that, you will get your API keys. Just click create one. As you can see here, select your project and then click new case. After that, go to Google AI or Firebase, click on the setting icons, go to setting. From the search menu, click API keys and then click this one, copy your this one, copy your API key and then come here and paste here. After that, you will connect it successfully. So friends, this is how you can do. Basically, I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and give share this